Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create LinkedIn banner. As you can see in Canva, we get lots of templates. You can just go to any template, you can make some changes and you can just upload on your LinkedIn. But here is a catch. So I made this LinkedIn banner. So it is exactly same like our Facebook banner and YouTube channel art, but there is a template like this template. Sometimes what happens is that like if you open your LinkedIn on mobile, then your profile will appear over here, the profile logo, and on other devices, if you open your LinkedIn, then your profile will be over here. So time to time LinkedIn changes their UI, so that's why you have to keep your LinkedIn banner updated. It happens with Facebook as well as with YouTube. So keep in mind, if they changes UI, you have to change your location of your text or something like that. So from this I created this LinkedIn banner. I don't want to show you how to create LinkedIn banner because we already covered those part like in Facebook banner as well as in YouTube channel art. So that's why I'm skipping that part, because up until now we made lots of designs, so I know you have the idea. So you can just take this video as a challenge. You can pause this video right now and you can create or recreate this LinkedIn banner on your own. So let's go to LinkedIn now. So as you can see, this is my LinkedIn profile. I don't use LinkedIn that much. It's just a simple profile. So for now you can see I don't have any banner. So let's upload our new banner. Edit profile background and let's choose this one. So this is gonna be our LinkedIn banner. So you can zoom, you can strengthen, you can rotate your thing. If you want, you can also add filters, you can adjust some colors, brightness, saturation, all that basic stuff. Now let's go and apply. So as you can see, this is how my LinkedIn banner looks right now. The profile icon is over here. But sometimes what happens is that if they change their UI, they might put their logo over here. Our profile will appear over here. So in that case, we have to have future proof. That's why I kept my text on the right hand side and my profession as well as my email ID, some social media ID as well as my contact number. So these are not my actual numbers, but this is gonna be our final output. So this is how it is gonna look on our LinkedIn banner. So I just wanted to keep this video really short and simple. So that's how you can create this LinkedIn banner. I will add this template in resources, so check that out. So that's it for today's video and I will see you guys in the next one.